Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to easily fix message delivered icon not showing problem. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically, if you go to your messenger and you send a text and nothing, it's not like delivering, it's not showing, here's what you need to do. So first option is, if you're on iPhone, go to your settings, scroll down until you see general, then scroll down to iPhone storage, then you need to wait for it to load up, and basically from this list you need to find Messenger. But basically once you find Messenger, you want to click on it and then click on offload app, then open up Messenger. If that doesn't work, then you want to click delete app, delete it completely, go to your app store, type in Messenger and just download it again. Or another solution is, before you delete the app, just come here to the app store and update it if needed. Steps on Android are kind of the same. You want to go to the Google Play Store, on the top right, like click on your icon, then manage your apps, and basically from there you want to find Messenger, delete it and reinstall it again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.